Before buying a flash diffuser for event photography, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, MagMod Magsphere 2 and MagGrip 2 Bundle. First up, we have the MagMod Magsphere 2 and MagGrip 2 Bundle, priced at about $69.51. This caught my attention because of its magnetic design, which really simplifies attaching and swapping diffusers. If you want a complete flash diffusion kit that gives you professional results, this is worth a serious look. That means instead of harsh, directional light, you get a soft, omnidirectional glow. This is perfect for events, especially in small spaces, giving you natural and flattering results. Plus, it's compatible with 99% of speedlights, including Canon, Sony, and Nikon, which is a huge plus for versatility. Now, some people complained about the MagGrip not fitting as snugly on all flash models. Here's the thing though, if you use it correctly, it stays put during fast-paced shooting, and the benefits definitely outweigh this minor issue. It's really designed for those who want to focus on creativity rather than gear. This is perfect for you if you're a frequent event photographer who values lighting quality. Skip this one if you're just starting out or looking for a more minimalist setup. For what you get, the value is definitely there. Product number 2, MagMod Starter Flash Diffuser Kit 2. Next up is the MagMod Starter Flash Diffuser Kit 2, retailing at $87.96. This kit includes the MagGrip 2, Magsphere 2, and MagGrid 2. The reason it caught my eye is that it combines essential tools for improving your lighting setup all in one bundle. If you want to up your flash photography game quickly, this is worth checking out. This kit is designed with strong magnets that allow for fast, secure swaps between modifiers. You won't waste time fumbling with Velcro or adhesives, just snap on what you need. The Magsphere 2 softens light beautifully, while the MagGrid helps control where that light lands. This is crucial for achieving the right mood in event photography, where lighting can make or break a shot. Now, some users mention that it may feel a bit bulky when adding multiple modifiers. I'll be real with you, if you're moving around a lot, that could be a slight inconvenience. However, the flexibility and quality you gain make this minor issue worth it, especially for serious photographers. This is ideal for you if you're looking for a comprehensive setup for events or portraits. Skip it if you prefer a lightweight or more basic option. The value here is fantastic for the quality you get. Product number 3, NEWER Flash Diffuser Light Softbox. Coming in at just $15.99, the NEWER Flash Diffuser Light Softbox is an affordable option that really surprised me with its quality. I was drawn to its collapsible design and universal compatibility, making it an easy choice for on-the-go shooters. If you want a budget-friendly solution that still delivers solid results, this might be your pick. It's designed to fit most standard shoe mount flashes, which is great if you have multiple brands in your kit. The materials used are high quality, with a nice black nylon exterior and silver PVC interior, which is essential for maximizing light softness. However, some users reported that it might not stay as firmly attached during vigorous shooting. Here's the thing, if you're mostly shooting static subjects, this won't be an issue, but if you're covering events where you need to move quickly, you might want to consider a more secure option. This is perfect for you if you're on a tight budget but still want decent lighting for events. Skip it if you need something more durable and secure for fast-paced environments. Overall, it's a solid value considering the price. Product number 4, Altura Photo Flash Diffuser Light Softbox. Next on the list is the Altura Photo Flash Diffuser Light Softbox, priced at $23.99. I found this diffuser appealing because of its simple design and effective light softening capabilities. If you want something that can easily improve the quality of your flash photography without breaking the bank, this is worth checking out. It's designed to fit most shoe mount flash units, making it a versatile choice for event photographers. The hook and loop strap ensures it stays secure during your shoots, which is important when you're in the moment capturing those key shots. That said, some users noted that while it softens light well, it might not be as effective in creating the softest light compared to pricier options. Honestly, if you're strictly looking for studio quality diffusion, this might not meet your expectations. But for an event photographer, it's definitely a worthwhile compromise. This is ideal for you if you're looking for a reliable and affordable diffuser for general use. Skip it if you need the highest quality diffusion possible. It's a great value for what you get. Product number 5, Waka Flash Diffuser Light Softbox. Last but not least, we have the Waka Flash Diffuser Light Softbox, a 2-pack for just $14.99. What attracted me to this option is the combination of both an octagonal and a rectangular softbox, providing versatility for different lighting needs. If you want an affordable yet flexible lighting solution, this one's definitely worth considering. These diffusers help reduce harsh light and eliminate red-eye, which is crucial when you're capturing candid moments at events. The softboxes are made from quality materials, with a black nylon exterior and a silver PVC interior, ensuring your light is beautifully diffused. They also come with a carry bag for easy storage, which is a nice touch if you're on the move. However, some users experienced issues with the Velcro strap not being very durable over time. Here's the thing, if you're careful and treat your gear well, this shouldn't be a huge problem, but if you're rough on your equipment, you might want to watch for this. This is perfect for you if you're someone who enjoys experimenting with lighting styles at events. Skip it if you need a more durable setup for heavy use. Overall, the price makes it hard to beat. So to recap, the Magmod Magsphere 2 and MagGrip 2 bundle is fantastic for serious photographers. The Magmod Starter Flash Kit 2 offers comprehensive solutions. The NEEWER is a budget-friendly choice. The Altura Photo Softbox is reliable, and the Waka Kit gives you great versatility. Each one has its strengths and minor flaws, but all can help you capture stunning shots at your next event.